Good day, Sir Madam. My name is Madely Fragio from District 4, San Manuel, Isabela, Philippines. I am 27 years old, single. My height is 172 centimeter. My weight is 70 kilogram. I have one brother and one sister. My highest educational attainment is Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have 2 years experience here at Philippines as a house helper. My duties are taking care of 5 years old, and also I have 2 years experience as a caregiver here at Philippines with 2 employers. My first employer is 71 years old male. My second employer is 82 years old male. My duties are bed batting, give them food through NGT and PEG, and give medicine, check vital signs, and feed them every 4 hours. And every 2 hours, I will check the diaper if there is poops or is it full. And if have, I will change it.